Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a packing slip in Xero. This is incredibly useful when you need to include detailed order information with your shipments without showing pricing details to your customers. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to Xero.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. If you're new to Xero and don't have an account yet, you can start a free trial to explore the platform's features. After entering your login details, you'll be directed to the main Xero dashboard. Now that you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. The main navigation menu at the top is where you'll access most of Xero's powerful tools. For creating a packing slip, we need to navigate to your sales records. So click on Sales in the top navigation menu. This will expand a drop-down menu with several options related to your sales activities. From the expanded menu, select Invoices. This section contains all your transaction records and is the hub for managing your sales documentation. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to a page displaying all your invoices with their various statuses, whether they're draft, awaiting payment, or paid. Browse through your invoice list and locate the specific invoice you want to create a packing slip for. Click on that invoice to open it. This step is important because the packing slip will pull all the relevant product and customer details directly from this invoice. You'll now be on the invoice overview page where you can see all the comprehensive details of your selected invoice, including line items, quantities, and customer information. Navigate to the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll notice a Print PDF button with a small drop-down arrow beside it. Click on that drop-down arrow to reveal additional options. From the selection that appears, click on Packing Slip. This action triggers Xero to automatically generate and download the packing slip as a PDF file to your computer. The system processes this quickly, pulling all necessary information from the invoice while excluding pricing details, which is perfect for customer-facing documentation. Finally, if you wish to attach this slip to your shipment, simply locate the downloaded PDF file on your computer, print it out, and add it to your package before sending it to your customer. This ensures your customer receives clear information about their order contents without seeing invoice pricing. And there you have it, a clean, professional packing slip created directly from your Xero invoice. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.